there, YouTubers. This is your boy Ed, and today we'll be doing a review of this awesome, gorgeous looking washing machine. It's a top loader, 12 kg machine. Really looks sleek, don't you agree? Yeah, it's from Ramtons. Ramtons was conceptualized by Hypermart Limited around 2 decades ago, and it's a popular brand name here in Kenya. But actually, Hypermart Limited is a worldwide organization specializing on electronics and other utensils. For those of you in US, you might be knowing a product by Pure Eat or by Hindustan Unilever. And if you're buying products from Italy, you'll be knowing a famous cooker by the name ELBA, or you might pronounce it as Elba, whatever you say. For those of you who like to buy flasks, you might be knowing a popular flask by Mega Flask. So it's from the same brand. Yep. It's a good size machine. I'm 6.3 tall, so when I stand, it just like almost just reaches my waist. So you don't have to bend a lot while you're loading your clothes. If you look on the left side of the machine, on the left from the front part, it has a little space there so that you can put your hand while you need to carry it. Just a spoiler though, you can't carry it while you're alone. You need someone. On the right side, it also has a little space for lifting it up. So on the far end, located on the far end, you'll actually need someone to help you pull it up, to lift it up. If you don't have someone to help you, you can just like drag it on the floor. It won't actually wear and tear because right down there it's plastic, and it has been made so that even if you pull it just on the floor, it won't wear and tear. You can see the technology that's used. It's thorough cleaning, less water, less tangling, clean, quick, gentle. And it has a red dot award. That means it's environmental friendly. They're in partnership with Parcel. They make detergents, so like kind of promotions. If you buy this machine, you get like 1 kg free powder soap from Parcel. Now I'm gonna like just show you on the back side of it what it has. This is the back side of the machine. As you can see, there are two points for water. The red one is for hot water. The blue one is for cold water. There's a plug that you can use. Another awesome feature about this top loader is that even if you don't have water running on your tap, you can actually just pour water inside the tub, and the machine will still work. So in case you have a problem with water shortage, it's a nice one to use. Now let's look at the inside, like what it has. This is how it looks like when you open it up. This is the top part. The top part, you see, there are those two metal metal thingies. If you want to fold the top part into two halves, you just like have to you push those metal thing on the left, and on the right the other one, and then the top part will fold into two halves. That's in case where the place that you have put your washing machine, you will not be able to open the entire top part, so you need maybe to fold it up because of the space. It enables that. On the inside part, wow, that's it, really huge. Wow. And it's only 12 kg. Can you believe that? Wow. Well, if it wasn't written that it was a 12 kg washing machine, I would have said that this is like a 14 kg tub. Wow, really, really, really huge. It comes with an outlet and two two pipes for connecting your cold water and hot water. I've already connected one for cold water on the tap. I'm gonna show you later on my later review how it works. Now here's the place for putting your powder soap and detergent, if you have any, or fabric softener. Uh, that, Another awesome thing with it, it's like an automatic machine, full automatic machine, that you just have to put your fabric softener there and your washing powder there, and you close it up and you put your settings and you're gonna do your work. Later on, when it's done with its work, you just okay, it will ring to give a beep sound, like it will beep like 6 times, and then it will go silent for another 2 minutes, beeps again like 6 times, another 2 minutes, beeps again like 6 times, and then it will turn itself off if you're not near to turn it off. Right there on the corner, see the little plastic thingy? That's a filter. So you can see I've just removed the filter. So after every wash, you remove the filter and then you wash it, you run water through it, remove all the dirt that it has trapped, and then you return it back. There it goes. I've already returned the filter back. Wow, really awesome. Now let me show you the control part. It's really interesting. Yeah, okay. That part, right below the brand name, you see written level. That is to enable you actually to balance the machine. It will show you that if the flow is even, so that the machine won't shake while it's spinning. On the far right side, it's written it's a 12 kg machine, water magic cube. You can see it has an on and off button. It has a start and pause button. These are all the functions that you can do. These are for normal wash, just you're washing clothes that aren't that much soiled, daily work clothes. For soft, for your much more, yeah, clothes that won't need a lot of wash. Soak, strong, this for really dirty clothes, like for those like jeans. Quick, you can just wash like maybe your hand towels, just use quick. Memory, you can do all your setting and then you save it on a memory part, so whenever you just load it to the cloth, it will automatically use the settings that you had earlier on set. Air dry, yeah, you can actually, if you use air dry, it will leave your clothes like really close to drying. You just have to maybe to air it out for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. But if it's a light silk t-shirt or shirt, after air drying, you can just iron it and wear it right away. Here it is. So it is a place for delay. You can delay for maybe 2 hours or even 4 hours, and then just leave the machine on as you go to work. When you come back, you just find your clothes have already been washed. Delay, wash, rinse, spin. Yes, for the program. The program button is actually the one that you use to program either normal, soft wash, or soak, or you want to soak it maybe for 2 hours. And another interesting is that you don't actually have to bother about time because the machine itself sets its time automatically. When you just program it, for example, if you just choose normal to maybe just go straight maybe to 60 minutes. If you choose strong to just go maybe to 80 minutes, and then it will program itself on the time it will take for wash, how many times to rinse, how many times to spin. Here you have a little the far there's a you're showing there's a button for temperature. When you connect your water, it will just automatically show you if the water is hot. It will just show you it's hot. If it's warm, show you it's warm. If it's cold, it will show you it's cold. But while you're connecting both hot water and cold water, I would recommend that actually you make sure that the speed or the pressure at which both water like entering the machine are the same level to avoid damaging the tub, because on the bottom part of the tub is actually it's a plastic spinner, so like yeah, if you put really hot water, maybe after some time it will spoil. You can see it has also a button for water level. Now this for water level, you can actually choose depending on the amount of clothes that you've already loaded on the tub. You can, if there are few clothes, you can just choose between 1 and 2. If there are more, like you can choose 4. If they are half the tab, you can choose 6. If they're almost close to full the tab, you can choose 8. That's the maximum. And the button for FCS is actually for fast cleaning system. So for example, after you've already set your programming for the machine, you click the FCS button. It will enable like the stop in between the spinning and wash time and rinsing time will be minimized. And I guess that's it. In case you want more review, uh, just comment on your comment section, and then I'll review it more later. Thank you.